spending the long weekend and Mom and Bon's birthday in the city because everything outside of the city is fully booked. Jonat, hello. Whoopi. Hi. Itorta mo ha. So, we are at Mantra on Bond. City Center Acacia, corner of Bond and George Street in Sydney. So, walking distance to everything. Nami dinner on niya, Caribbean. And it's just like 2.2 kilometers walk. So, maglakaw rami para makainom eh. So, anyway. So, good tas tour. Wait lang. Shower. Toilet and bath. That's what you see when you enter. My siblings has a room exactly like this next door. So, Monica amuha ni Jonat. Bedroom. Nice. Magdim-dim pang light. Okay. Let's do a closet ring. Okay. So, gi-unpack na ako among clothes. Kang Jonat for the weekend. Those are mine. Shoes. Bags. Hair straightener. Life essential. Wait lang. This is Jonat's stuff. Clothes. Padlanchahon pa na unya. Nailayang toiletries. Man purse. Na kuha. I have swimwear. Kay mag-trek. Siguro mag-Tumig Royal National Park. We'll go outdoors and we'll swim. So, split level ang suite. Siya TV. Fronting the bed. And then you have a kitchenette. So, technique guys, kanang magpasosyal, magbalon ta para dili makagasto. So, we have orange spritzer, vodka, of course, canned goods para breakfast ugma. So, para maka expensive mong dinner, mag-breakfast ra mo at home. Muna siya yung technique. Water, chicheria, 3-in-1 coffee ni Jonat, which is San Miguel kay we love Ramon ang boy bawang, of course, and soju. Huh? Dili. Video na ako lang ikon. So, gikan mi Costco gani ha. Nami water, bacon, and Kransky for quick breakfast. Tomorrow, mag-barbecue ra guro mi for lunch kung Tumig Park. Nya, nami bulgogi, marinated bulgogi beef, almond milk, kay vegan ako manghod, Yakult, pari sa soju, soft drinks, kanang ice cream, cake na uwok, minahan ka?
Ha?
Kanang ice cream container. Cake ang sulod, ana.
Sige, sige.
Nami salad, ang salad na mo Caesars for us, and seaweed salad for my brother who is vegan. Yeah. Ay, pwede. Ang katudiing. So, microwave. There's oven. There's dishwasher. Free tea and coffee. The black thing that you see. We have croissant from Costco. Yeah, nami L-shape na couch. Dira matulog ako manghod. I mean, sa ilaang room kay si Whoopi sa bed. Jonat, driver. / financer. And yeah, napod mi balcony. So, you wanna see Sydney? Wait lang, ha? Alright. So, this is the central business district of Sydney on a Saturday. Bye, Whoop. See you later. Next door, kanang balcony mo ng room nila, Whoopi, umipot. Alright, that's the tram line, Sydney trams. Bro, okay na? Welcome. Ako pala yung ako good. Among balunon ugma padong trekking. A picnic. So, dami picnic basket. We also have an SK cooler, Coleman. Australians call it SK. It's a brand like how we, like how we call coolers Coleman sa Philippines. Wait. Chicheria ham. Of course, Filipino represent. Nami Argentina corned beef and century tuna. So, pamailain guys. Maraming siguro. Sige na, okay na. Mga pi. Bukal na akong tubig. So, mga pi sa mi. Bye-bye.